A very warm welcome to everyone in this sales bootcamp. In this video of sales bootcamp, we will understand about the follow-up strategies. So basically, what is a follow-up? Follow-up means to repeatedly go to your customer, present your product and your brand. The very simple definition of follow-up is that you must go to your customer repeatedly and you must present your product and your brand to your customer. Now, how follow-up is being done? Follow-up is done by emails, personal visits, message, WhatsApp, Facebook advertisement is also a very good option by the help of which you can do follow-up. You have seen many times in Facebook, repeated ads used to come according to your interest. Ads used to come. Basically, those ads companies, those particular companies who are letting those ads, they are doing follow-up. Means they are showing their products, their services to us through different types, different media. Basically, we have email marketing, personal visit. If you can go personally, it's very fine. It's the best one. The best one is personal visit. Then it comes to message and WhatsApp. Message in terms of Messenger, Instagram, different sources. But the best one is the personal visit. So follow up basically means to approach to your customer repeatedly so that they can purchase your product and they have a chance. Now consider this very easy example. Consider a scenario where you are selling a product and if 100 out of 98 customer means you have approached to 100 customers and 98 customers have rejected, they have said no, we will not buy it. At this stage, what you will do? Ask from yourself that what you will be doing. At that stage, most of the salesmen will be leaving the particular 98 customers as they have already said no, we will not buy it. But as you are there in the sales boot camp, I'm telling you that you must approach to those 98 customers who have rejected your products repeatedly. See, repeatedly doesn't mean that you will irritate them with phone calls. You can do messages. You can show Facebook ads to those particular target audience who have already rejected your offer. You can approach them with some sort of some lead magnets. What is lead magnet? Lead magnet means to provide something so that your customer will be interested towards your product, offering some sort of samples. Basically, it's not lead magnet, it's promotional efforts. I will not say it as lead magnet, it is promotional efforts with the help of which promotional tools that you offer some samples, some contests, so that they will be interested towards your brand, towards your company, and they can purchase the product. So basically, approaching to those 98 customers who have already rejected your offer makes a probability that if they agree, you will earn sales. But just remember one thing, if at the very first stage if you have left those 98 customers that no, I will not approach to them, they have already rejected the offer, at that stage you will be losing income. Your income will decrease as you have already left those 98 customers. So you must have a try always that to approach to those customers who have already rejected your offers, so that it will at least get a chance or a probability that yes, they can purchase from you. So I hope that you have liked this video. If you have any doubt, you can DM me on Instagram. The further videos will be uploaded day after day. And please do subscribe this channel. And if you have any doubts, you can DM me. Thank you. Have a great day.